It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Friday, September 25th. I'm James Spann. A few showers over the weekend. Next week could be wet early in the week with a tropical system coming in from the Gulf. Let's go in there and take a look at things. Got an upper low over northeast Alabama this afternoon. Had a lot of rain over the northeastern part of the state this morning, some soaking rain there. However, as of mid-afternoon, the rain has really been shrinking. It's still raining up in the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama, a few sprinkles around Cullman, but for the other parts of the state, conditions are dry now. That's the visible satellite view, and you can see that as you work your way down into southwest Alabama, the sky is sunny for places like Thomasville and Jackson, Mobile, and Gulf Shores. And it looks like we'll be in pretty good shape for the high school football games tonight, although a stray shower is possible in a few spots. That's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A marginal risk on the coast of the Carolinas, of North Carolina. And the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. The numbers are coming up, and again, that is in response to this tropical feature that will likely come up this way early next week. The most widespread rain with that would most likely be Monday and Tuesday. In the tropics, Ida, tropical depression, barely hanging on for dear life in the middle of nowhere. And what we are watching is that little wave in the far western Caribbean on the coast of the Yucatan there in Belize. That will be coming up into the Gulf. And understand, even if this doesn't become a tropical depression or a tropical storm, it still could bring a lot of rain to parts of the Gulf Coast region and our end of the state by early next week. So just understand that. Let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. Got an upper low developing over the Texas coast. And down below that, we still have moisture in place, but really, I don't think it rains that much. We'll mention scattered showers with a mixture of clouds and sunshine, and a high around 80 degrees. This is the high-res NAM, not showing very much. And again, no doubt there could be some rain around, but I don't think rain's going to be a big issue for the college games. Could it rain in Tuscaloosa or Auburn? Absolutely, but nothing widespread, nothing heavy. Don't expect any thunder or lightning. No lightning delays. Really the same thing on Sunday. The chance of a few scattered showers Sunday. The sun breaking through at times with a high close to 80. Now, here's Monday, and you see our tropical low in the Gulf, about 1,008 millibars due south to Mobile Bay, with a good moisture fetch coming up in here, and it looks like rain chances should be increasing Monday, maybe especially Monday afternoon and Monday night. And then Tuesday, that surface low is into the Gulf Coast region around Pensacola, Gulf Shores, and Destin. There's a broad low, nothing wound up, no tropical storm, maybe even not a depression. But still, systems like that can produce a lot of rain, especially along and to the east of the center. The European, not very bullish on this, doesn't show much at all. This is Tuesday at 1 o'clock. We'll check the NAM. But the NAM only goes out through 84 hours. This is Monday evening at 7 o'clock, and it does show a 1,006 millibar low in the Gulf. So, we got decent agreement here with the GFS and the NAM suggesting we might be dealing with some tropical rain at some point Monday or Tuesday of next week. Although confidence obviously at this point is still low in the placement of the heaviest rain. Then by Wednesday, that feature is lifted out. Wednesday looks relatively dry. Thursday of next week, and again, there could be a few scattered showers, nothing too widespread, and pretty warm. We could see low 80s in here. In a week from today, this is Friday, October 2nd, and that is not a cool look. The polar jet is locked up in Canada. I got a 588 ridge across the southern states, and again, that would be relatively warm, maybe mid-80s. And we can see 80s in October. We all know that. This is Alabama. And again, showers, if that's right, few and far between. This is the end of the forecast, Monday, October 5th. Still the polar jet up north, 588 ridge west of the state, and that looks like a little front tries to push in here. Cold air, though, dipping down into parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. I'm seeing a lot of freezing temperatures up there, but not down here. But again, maybe a front coming through with a chance of showers. Temperatures for the next 15 days off the GFS ensemble. You can see readings 70s, low 80s. And looks like as we get into October, lows dropping mostly in the 50s. And again, those numbers about where we should be for early fall. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be here Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.